Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Gemma and Filo. This is a company that makes handmade necklaces, earrings, and hair clips for little girls, and they are made specifically for little hands. So they're easy to use and put on, and they have magnetic clips. So let's take a look at what they sent. How cute. And then there's a bunch of little worms in there that they packaged it with. This is adorable. Raylan loves putting anything around her neck, so I think she's gonna love this. Even though she's only like a year and a half, she's gonna love to wear this. And I'm not kidding you, she puts leggings around her neck like it's a scarf, earbuds she will take and put around her neck. She's super funny about that. So this is really nice and colorful. Let's go ahead and take it out and get a better look at it. So here's what the necklace looks like. There's different colored little pom-poms that are super soft. And then they change colors. There's green, yellow, blue, purple, pink. I love this. And this one actually doesn't have a magnetic clip. It just slips over their head. But they do have many different styles of necklaces and all sorts of stuff on their website. So I will definitely make sure to leave all the information below in case you want to check them out. But I know she's going to love this, and I'm going to try to insert some footage of her wearing it and some pictures if she will stay still long enough for me to do so. So here's Miss Raylan and her rainbow tulle necklace. They also have this necklace available if you want just a solid lavender one, and they also have pink. And you can get matching hair clips and earrings with the pink and the lavender. And they also have a different style of tulle necklace where it's kind of like, they call it a bib necklace. So it has them all real close together instead of spread out on a chain like hers is. So she loves this necklace. If you guys are interested, I will leave their website below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.